Hi everyone, so this is a wall decor with bamboo sticks, and you are going to need a rounded paper that is smaller than a mirror that you are going to use. So here I'm using a rounded mirror and a box, and I'm using bamboo sticks. I am also going to use glue gun for this project, and this is how you can easily remove the mirror from its case. You press it down and you gradually remove it. It is very simple. So over here I'm using my masset tool to draw my lines on the box or the rounded box paper into 8 equal parts. I've misplaced my roll, so that is what I'm using. If you are using a bigger paper, you would need a bigger roll for that. And if you are new, my name is Juliana. You're most welcome to my channel. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that I don't miss any of my videos. Over here, I am going to use the longer bamboo stick to attach on each line that I have drawn on the paper. As you can see, they are very equal. So I'm attaching it and I'm using the base or the part which has a very sharp edge. That is where I am using to attach, and I'm making sure that they are meeting at the center of the box, okay, or of the rounded paper. So you make sure that every part of the line that you have drawn is being attached with a longer bamboo stick, so that it will start giving you the sequence of how you would go with attaching the rest of the bamboo sticks. And as you can see, everywhere of the lines are attached with the longer ones, and I'm going to go in for the shorter ones, and I'm making sure that each longer line or each longer bamboo stick gets two shorter bamboo sticks attached to its base. So as you could see in the demo that I did, I am just trying to make sure that every shorter bamboo stick is going with a longer bamboo stick that is being attached to its base, just as I am doing. So you go in with the first one with the longer bamboo stick, and then you continue with a shorter bamboo stick next to the longer bamboo stick, so that it will give you that symmetrical look as you go. So you are going to continue until you exhaust all the longer bamboo sticks. So as you can see, I am attaching the smaller or the shorter bamboo stick next to the longer bamboo sticks, but I'm making sure that I am attaching them just at the base so that they are a little closer to each other, and then it would come out very beautifully in the symmetry that I want it to look. And then after every longer bamboo stick has gotten its 2 pair of shorter bamboo stick, you continue to fill in the spaces by attaching a longer one. So the trick here is you go in with a longer bamboo stick, you follow it up with a shorter one, then you follow it up with a longer one. I hope you get the trick. So that's the basic trick I am using here to make sure that I get I really get the symmetry that I want for each particular quadrant that I drawn. So as you can see, I followed up with the first one with being the longer one, and then attached 2 shorter ones, and I'm going in again with 2 longer ones. So that is what I am going to be doing until I complete every quadrant and fill every hole in the quadrants. I hope you get that. So as you move along, you can clearly see that there are still holes in the quadrants. So you make sure that you continue to fill up until everywhere is completely filled, and using the trick by attaching a shorter bamboo stick next to a longer bamboo stick, and if it is a short bamboo stick, you attach a longer one. So carefully watch as I move. I'm not speeding this side up too much, so that you can clearly see how I am going by attaching a shorter bamboo stick to a longer bamboo stick, and then attaching a longer bamboo stick to a shorter bamboo stick. So please watch carefully and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Like I said, the moment you want to attach a different bamboo stick, make sure you are not going in with the same size as has already been attached, but rather a longer or a shorter side, depending on what size or height of the bamboo stick is there. And when you are done with all the quadrants, you can see that this is how it looks. And if you place a mirror, this is how it's going to look. I'm going to be designing it with these white embellishments, but then I want only the shiny plates inside. So I'm cutting it and only going to have the shiny plates inside with all these. And I'm going to just glue them onto the sticks, but I am going to glue the mirror on first by applying some glue gun and then placing it at the center. So the reason for your box to be smaller than the mirror is so that when you place the mirror on top or at the center, it will not expose, or the box will not show anywhere of the design. And I'm going ahead to add my shiny plates onto the bamboo sticks and making sure that I'm placing them randomly, but then somehow calculated so that it doesn't become too much on the bamboo stick or on the wall decor. You can equally leave it as that, or you can have different kind of embellishments depending on your taste, and you can get it at any fashion shop at all, or any bridal shop at all. You can get fashionable designs. And I'm going to mount it on the wall with a mountain tape. I think I got this from China Mall here in Accra. I think one is 2 cities, 2 Ghana cities or so. And this is how it looks with light. This is how it looks with light, and this is how it looks with no light. It's kind of a little shiny because of my ring light. So this is how it looks. Thank you all so much. Do watch out for my other videos, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and my other videos on hair and makeup and my personal life experiences. Do take care of yourself and have a wonderful day. Love ya. Mwah.